Hi, Gary here again from Auto Door Hardware. What we're taking a look at here today is a CR door closure surface mount in a dark bronze finish, which is manufactured by CR Laurence. The nice thing about the CR Laurence door closures, they come with a adhesive template that you can throw up on your door frame and drill the holes. It makes for a quick installation, especially on a new installation. Quick and easy. Comes with all mounting hardware to attach it in the adjustment Allen wrench. Comes with the door arm packaged, and they come packaged quite well. Closure body and a parallel arm bracket, and of course it does have complete instructions here also. This closure can be found at Automatic Door Hardware, along with millions of other products at www.autodoorhardware.com. Thank you.